Hello friends, it's Raj. In this video, we will see some of the camera specs, settings and samples of OnePlus 7. So let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
The OnePlus 7 has got a 48 plus 5 megapixel rear dual camera with dual LED flash. It supports both optical and electronic image stabilization. Then a 16 megapixel selfie cam which uses soft flash for dim light. Both the cameras have Sony image sensors. Now let's see the detailed camera specs using the AIDA64 app. Please pause the video to check the details. Next, we will see the OnePlus camera app interface. In general, you can take portrait, time-lapse, photo, pro photo, slow motion, video, nightscape and panorama. For photo, you can use flash, change the frame, use timers and then up to 2 times zoom. Then for video, we have 1080p and 4K at 30 and 60 fps. Again, we can use flash and 2 times zoom. For portrait, we can use timer. Then there is beautify. Then for time lapse, we can use flash, take video at 720 or 1080p and use 2 times zoom. Then for Pro mode, you can adjust lot of things. You can also save the file in RAW format. You can create custom presets and save them in C1 and C2. There is also histogram and horizontal reference line. Then for nightscape, you can use timer and change frame size. For slow-mo, again we can use flash, take video at 720 or 1080p. Next, this is the panorama, can only be taken with the rear cam. Now let's check the selfie cam. You can take video at 1080p. Then photo mode with the same settings as that of the primary cam. Here the phone uses screen flash in dim light. Then HDR is there. Then for portrait, again timer and beautify. You can also take time lapse with the selfie cam. So these are the additional settings available. Customized modes to be displayed in the main camera UI. Auto, manual HDR, smart content detection with Google Lens. There are 3 grid options. Then there is the option to add watermark. Then we have the selfie and other pro mode settings. Now demonstrating the watermark feature of the OnePlus camera. Next, I am going to demonstrate the smart content detection. When your device is online, the camera can identify barcodes, email address, contact cards, etc. if you point it them for a while. Then you can either search or save the contents identified. You can also double tap to switch between the front and rear cameras. Now let's see some camera samples. I will be zooming into the samples. A rear cam shot, a rear cam portrait, another rear cam portrait, a rear cam portrait with beautify, A selfie cam sample. Another selfie cam portrait. A Pro mode shot 1:1. Another Pro mode with change of focus. Another Pro mode with full frame. A rear cam panorama shot. A rear cam 1080p video. A selfie cam 1080p video. Next, a 4K video at 30 fps. Another 4K video at 60 fps. These 4K samples are shown only to demonstrate the clarity. Next, a time-lapse video with the rear cam. Then another time-lapse with the selfie cam. A slow-mo video at 240 fps. Another slow-mo video at 480 fps. Now demonstrating the slow-mo effect with a ceiling fan by shooting a normal video and then a slow-mo video. Now let's see some night shots. A rear cam shot with flash. A selfie cam shot with screen flash. Next, a nightscape shot. The nightscape uses no flash and can only be taken with the rear cam. Now demonstrating the difference of nightscape and a normal pic took under the same conditions. A rear cam 1080p video. Another rear cam 4K video. Next, zooming in on a 4K video. Of course, the samples you saw will have some quality loss due to editing and compression. Sorry for that. So, that was some of the camera specs, settings and samples of OnePlus 7. Hope the video was useful. Peace.